1971, two American scientists packed 4 atomic clocks inside a commercial airplane and started flying east. After they circled the world, they turned around and started flying west. A 5th clock was left on Earth. In 1991, the cosmonaut Sergei Krikalev boarded a space shuttle aimed at Mir, the Soviet space station. While he was there, the Soviet Union collapsed. Krikalev was left stranded in space. In 1977, Japanese scientists took a clock up Mount Narration, from around 60 meters above sea level to almost 3,000 meters. Another clock was left at the ground station. They were all testing the idea that time is not fixed, that it can pass differently in different locations and at different speeds. For Isaac Newton, time and space were fixed. Space never shrank or grew, time never slowed down or sped up. Albert Einstein challenged this. Knowing that the only fixed entity in our universe was the speed of light, he proposed that space and time must be malleable, variable depending on the effects of gravity and motion. When a clock flies inside a fast airplane, time slows down. When a clock goes up a mountain and away from the pull of gravity, time gets a little faster. When a clock sits inside a space station, moving fast and far from Earth, effects combine and time gets both slower and faster. When the 4 clocks landed from the trip around the Earth, they didn't match the one left behind. The same happened in Mount Narration. When the cosmonaut eventually came back from the space station, he was 20 milliseconds younger. Krikalev became one of our most experienced time travelers. Time and again, in the United States, in Japan, in the Soviet Union, on and off our planet, the hands didn't match.